Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today in the additional of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's weekend Saturday, September the 17th, 2022. We have here 7 extra puzzles. And those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with a 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cypher block. And the last one is a binary puzzle. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve today, the other half tomorrow. Because tomorrow we don't have any newspaper. So 3 puzzles will be done tomorrow. And maybe if I have the spare time, um, the Samurai Sudoku. But first, let me continue with this one. This one will be number 5189. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, the 3 stars Sudoku, has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? But for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. 25 printed digits. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. Yeah, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time. But for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 1s. All right. We have here 3 2s, 2 3s, 1 4, 2 5s, 2 6s, 3 7s, 4 8s. Okay. And 3 9s, 4 9s. So the 8 1s, the 8s, and the 9s are a majority. Let me see if I can start with the 1. No. Well, here. How about the 8 then? 8. 8. Yeah. Let me start with the 8 first. 8 in this row, first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, you see an 8 in this row. So no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, you see an 8 in this first column. So no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there we see an 8 in the first column, so no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Alright. How about the 9? 9. Yeah, let me continue with the 9. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Alright. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And now I cannot continue with a 9. All right. Let me see. With the one also, well, not true. One in this row, last row, one in the row above. So in that row, the only two places left for the one should be here or there. You see here one in this column, no one there, one should be there. One in the third row, one in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the one should be there. One, 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 one. Cannot continue with the one now. Need to wait. Alright, other digits then. 6, 8, 1, 6. Think. 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2. 2, 2. 2, 2, yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these two boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those two boxes in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2. Well, seems like I cannot continue with the 2 now. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 box. So 1 box left for the 5 in this row should be there. And we have a pair. The 2 and the 5 in this column, the 2 and the 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Alright. And now 3, 3, okay. Let me see. 5, 5, 5. 7 in this row. Last row. 7 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 7. Should be there. 7, 7. Yeah. 7, 7. Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in this box. Here 7 in the third column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. Okay, 7, 7. Okay, let me continue with the 9. The 9 in the third column, the 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the last row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. How about the 1, 1, 1? 1, 1. 1, 1. Nope. Cannot continue with the 1. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. The 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 6, 6. 2, 3, 4. 6, 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 3, 4. Thinking. 6, 6. 4 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. here or there. We see a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. Okay, 6, 6. We have a pair, the 1 and the 6 in this column, the 1 and the 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 1 and 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 1 and 6, 1 and 6. That means two missing numbers now in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Let me mark those two boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first row. So no 5 there. 5 should be there. And the 2 goes there. Okay, 5, 5. Now we have a 2 in the first row, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. This box should be a 7. Okay. 7, 7. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Let me think. Can I continue with the 5? 5, 5. 5, 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 3, 4, 5. And look, we have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. Here are 5 in the last row, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. So the 3 and the 4 are left now. 3 and the 4, okay. 3, 4, and a 2. 3, 4, and 2. Okay. Think. 3, 3. 7, 7. How about those two missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. Let me mark those. 4, 4, 4, okay. 1, 2, 2, 7, 5. 3 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7. And look, we have a 5 and a 7 in this row. So no 5 and a 7 in this box. The 5 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We have a 7 in one of those two boxes in the middle row. So no 7 there, 7 should be here. The 5 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 2. Now we have a 2 in the last column. So no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 2. 3 to 4. Yeah, 3 to 4. 7. 7 to 5. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. The 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Let me mark those. Here also 3 and 4. This is also 3 and 4. 3 and a 4, yeah. That means these two boxes, the missing numbers are, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 and the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there, 5 should be here, the 1 goes there. The other pair in this big square, other numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Well. 4 and a 6. Let me mark those. One box left in the first row for number the 1. The 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 the missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7. Let me mark those. A lot of pairs, yeah. 3 and 4 are missing in the last row. 3 and 4. We have a 4 now in this first column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 3 goes and there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 1 box left in the last column for number 4. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 4 and 6, okay. 3 to 4. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 to 6, 4 to 6. Cannot fill this yet. Alright. And now. 4, 6, and 1 in this column. Third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see here 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can be 7 and more, that box should be 7. And this box should be 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more, that box should be 6. And this box should be 4. 1 and the 6, we have a 1 now. In the middle row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 6 goes there. 1 box left in the first column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, we have a 6 now in this row, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 3 to 4, we have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Find no 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 to 4, 3 to 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there, 4 should be here. The 3 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well. 3 stars. No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes. I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the 4 Stars Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.